How to make decals in Roblox. First, you just have to go to your Google web browser and log in your Roblox account. Now here you just have to go to create, tap this one. So here we have options, but you just have to tap this development items here that is next to avatar items. Okay, tap development items, and then you just have to go to decals that is next to audio. So after that, you just have to click this upload asset here, tap this one, and then after that, click upload again. Upload the picture from your computer, for example, this one, create a name, and then description, for example, my AI, and then tap upload. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, or you can just simply refresh this site. Once you refresh, you just have to tap this one here. This one is processing. Okay, this is what it looks like. Here's an example of your decal. Now you can also go back to your Roblox home. Okay, so let me type Roblox again here. And then after that, you just have to go to inventory, tap this one. And then here, under my inventory, that is below classic heads, you just have to tap the decals here, and there you can see your output here. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make decals in Roblox. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.